Do you want a homemade candy your whole family will absolutely love? Then this recipe is for you. Hello soft lifers, welcome back to another interesting video. In your cooking pot, add in a glass of clean water. Use the amount that works for you. It all depends on your family size, alright? Then add in half a glass of sugar, but go easy on it. Too much won't be healthy for you and your little ones. Add a tablespoon of corn flour, more or less depending on how thick you want it to be. Then give it a good stir. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Always like and share this video with your loved ones. As soon as the syrup comes to a boil, stop stirring and allow it to boil until it reaches 150 degrees. Then turn off the gas. Go ahead and add your food coloring of your choice for extra pop of color and a little essence for more flavor. Give it a good stir until the syrup and color blends together smoothly. Beautiful. Please let me know where you're watching me from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Option 1. In a stainless steel lid, arrange your toothpick like so. Then pour half a tablespoon of your candy syrup to each of the toothpick, the way I'm doing. Be careful with the syrup because it's too hot. Option 2 is to use a candy molding silicone. Add in your syrup just the way I'm doing. Please don't pour hot candy syrup into a regular ice cube mold. It may melt, lose shape or release chemical that is not good for your body. So just use candy safe silicone or metal molds instead. Store in a cool place until the molds have hardened. After a few hours, voila! Do you love what you're seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type amazing in the comment section. Carefully remove the candies from the mold and enjoy with your family. Bon appetit! I hope you find this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye bye!